I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. The channel where I talk about anything and everything about personal beauty. Today, as you can see, I look quite different. I've got what I call my evening or glamour makeup on. Yes, I am going out tonight. I've got my bling on. Here you are. Bling earrings, bling choker, bracelet. Yep. So all the products that I'm using to demonstrate my makeup today, I'll be listing them down here, but I'm just going to highlight a few for you right now. First of all, for evening makeup, I always use a primer just so that my makeup lasts the whole evening. So tonight I used the Too Faced Hangover primer, one of my favorites. Some people say that it looks like a moisturizer, but then if you have dry, mature skin like me, I find this really good. I'm also using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, so for the eyes, so my eyeshadow will stay on and not flake or peel away. I use foundation instead of my tinted gel, so again, my favorite brand, Bare Minerals Liquid Foundation, one of my favorites. And for the eyeshadow, I use the Zoeva. I think I pronounced it wrong last time. It's Zoeva, not Zoeva. Zoeva. I own quite a few of her palettes. And this one is the Smokey Eyes palette. And for the eyes, the eyebrow today, one of my favorite brands, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is her defining brow, one of my favorites. And I'm also using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. So there you are. Oh, the mascara. I'm going to be using Avante. Avante, one of my favorites. So here you are. So if you want to create this look, this glamour look, because this is an evening look, and I'm hoping that it would last the whole night. For evening look, I tend to make it a little bit heavier, so the eyeshadow just a little bit darker, a bit more deeper colors, the lipstick a lot brighter. So my daytime look and my evening look or my glamour look are quite different, and I create different ones depending what I feel like and what I'll be wearing. So have a look. As usual, all I've got is my serum, moisturizer and sunblock. And today I will start with my primers, both primers for my eye and my face. So let's go, ladies. my evening glamour look. Hey, if this is your first time here, welcome and thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. I would so appreciate that. And those of you who have been following me, thank you so much again. And please share my video and my channel with your friends and family, colleagues, those that you think would benefit from my videos. Otherwise, that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.